LEVOIT Cordless Stick Vacuum LVAC 200 Review. Introducing the LEVOIT Cordless Stick Vacuum LVAC 200, designed for powerful cleaning, convenience, and versatility in every corner of your home. This vacuum delivers long runtime options, up to 50 minutes with the crevice or pet tool in eco mode, 30 minutes with the vacuum head, and 12 minutes in turbo mode. Whether it's everyday dust or unexpected messes, the powerful suction handles it with ease. The anti-tangle brush prevents hair wrap on the roller, saving time and eliminating one of the most frustrating cleaning hassles. Combined with its lightweight design, the LVAC 200 lays 180 degrees flat to reach under furniture, while LED headlights reveal hidden dust and debris. Specialized attachments include a 2-in-1 pet tool for effortless pet hair removal and a crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas. The large-capacity dustbin empties with one clip, ensuring fast, mess-free disposal. For cleaner air, the 5-stage filtration system captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, preventing repollution and releasing fresher air back into your home. This model is also self-standing, making storage simple and convenient. With its removable battery, you can charge it separately or swap it out for extended cleaning sessions. The LEVOIT LVAC 200 combines cordless convenience, strong suction, and advanced technology to make cleaning faster, easier, and more effective. Check the product link in the description and pinned comment for more details and the latest pricing. Camera zooms in on the vacuum gliding across carpet and hard floor, LED headlights illuminating dust as the room looks spotless.